Welcome! Today we'll show you how to add emojis to your status on Messenger. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Start by opening Messenger on your device. This will take you to the Messenger app, where you can access your chats and stories. 2. Tap the Stories tab located at the bottom right of the screen. This will allow you to create a new story to share with your contacts. 3. Select Add to Story to begin crafting your status update. This will bring up the editing tools for your story. 4. Tap on the text icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. This will enable you to add text to your story. 5. Next, tap the sticker icon located on the right side of the screen. This feature will give you access to various stickers and emojis to enhance your status. 6. Tap on Emoji at the bottom right and choose the emoji you want to add to your status. Select the one that best fits your message or mood. 7. Once you've customized your status with emojis and are happy with the result, tap Share Now at the bottom right corner to post it to your Messenger story. By following these simple steps, you can easily add emojis to your status on Messenger and bring your stories to life with expressive symbols. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enhance your Messenger status with emojis. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to level up your social media game.